So guys, I'm actually heading out to Katiki Waterfalls. Actually, it's gonna be an adventurous trip, and we have taken the local jeep over here because our own vehicle doesn't go over because it's under the forest department, right? So we gotta go in the special equipped vehicle. It's a jeep. I'm gonna show you the jeep also. So it's like off-road experience for us. This is gonna be the fabulous video, and first time travelers back under off-road. No off-road. It's becoming a crazy adventurous trip. Travelers backpackers, this is one of my favorite and one of my first off-road trip. That too in AP tourism, and this is the first visit place, guys. We're gonna come over here, and this is surprise waiting for you guys. We're heading out over there. It's almost like 30 minutes drive, if I'm not wrong. It's like a lot of bumpy road, and this road, especially this kind of jeep, is only allowed so that it's going to cost you around like 1,500, and if you have 8 people, it's going to cost you 1,500. Even if you're single, if you don't like to take the jeep and go, it's going to cost you 1,500. So when you come to this particular cave, and it's just like 30 minutes away from the cave, and right now we are heading out over there, and let's begin the journey. So adventurous. So guys, this is actually very biggest adventurous trip of travelers backpacker in the Eastern Ghats, and this is one of the panoramical view, and this is one of the finest, and many people would like to travel in this place. So you guys can see there is a railway track, and there's gonna be a tunnel over there. You try to go, and always make sure if you come over here you gotta be careful. So actually the work is going on, you guys can see. And we are heading out to Katiki Waterfalls. This is one of the greatest place, guys. So guys, we're heading out right now. And there are particular foods which are famous over here, which is known to be the bamboo chicken. And you can see these are the bamboo chickens, and when you come over here, you can buy it and you can experience this thing. So this is how we go, guys. It's fabulous. And you know, I thought like let me have some corn. So I'm gonna get the corn and eat it. And this corn since last 10 years. So 10 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఇక్కడ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు టూరిస్టులు ఎట్లా వస్తున్నారు? ఇప్పుడు జనాలు బాగానే వస్తున్నారా? వస్తున్నారు. People are coming out. So okay, due to this COVID virus, people are not coming in. So usually right now people started coming in. So you guys can come over and explore this place. Okay. I'm gonna try have this. The corn. Okay, but wait. Guys, the best corn. So sweet, and it's hot because they put some chili powder and salt into that. So it's very sizzling, guys. I'm gonna have it. It's awesome. So we're gonna head out over there. So we just finished eating the corn. We're walking up. Lot of disturbance, guys. This Akil fellow is actually screwing my happiness. So I don't want to do that. Such a peace and fabulous place. And I can feel the cool breeze. See behind. Good posture behind that. All this mountainous effect. So it's actually great. Just wanted to stop by. One of our colleagues is actually getting me the drink. Can you open it for me? This guy is actually making fun of me. I don't know what the heck wrong with us. Can I bring this? No, it almost took 20 minutes for us to reach over here. Stay hydrated, guys. Stay hydrated. Get some water, get some juice. We have a lot of stalls over here. So guys, we are heading up right now, and you get a good, fantastic view. Okay. You get a rock from here. Actually, I can hear the sound of the falls. So you gotta head up. You can see the people walking up. Now, thought like, let me climb this mountain. You gotta be careful while walking over here. Yeah. Lot of trekking, guys. I feel so good and relaxed, and I felt little hard before, but right now it's becoming easy for me to climb. But also, I just kept walking for almost 30 minutes right now, guys. Now I see this fall. I know it's gonna be fabulous, but let's go there. I want to show you the beauty of it. So guys are saying like it's fabulous. You go there. Yeah. See. Wow. Beauty. Guys, let me show you the first view of it. Are you guys excited? So guys, we are here at Katiki Waterfalls. So you can see the droplets on my lens. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. So I'm gonna get down in the water. It's not dangerous, but yes, to make sure, like you see, the line is so weak, and you gotta be careful while coming over here. There's water going down the stream, goes like that, hill by hill. So guys, I'm gonna show you that. Right now we are at Katiki Waterfalls. It's like freezing cold. I see that it's about like -5 degrees. It's not -5 degrees, but 5 degrees. I can't see my leg in this water. It's crazy, guys. This is the must place you guys gotta see. And this is near to the cave which is located over here. But I just wanted to come out of the water, guys. It's literally chilled water, you know. It's like keeping like in ice, man. It's like minus. I don't know. I don't want to get sick over here. You guys knew this. So guys, just came down from the falls. It was fabulous. This is most place to visit, and I'm just gonna have sweet potato right now, and it's like it's awesome, you know. You can have a look of the sweet potato, you know. It's very hot, you know. You can see the aroma and the smoke going out from it, right? Let me try it. It's fabulous. Now, healthy foods, which is one of the best. The sweet potato. Usually, I don't like potato, but after eating this has become my favorite. Trust me, guys. This is the best place. Talking about the safety issue over here, safety things needed to be also taken care in a bit way, because it's good though, but if you can keep some guards or anyone, it's got to be good, you know. So I would recommend this place for everyone.
If you're coming over here, make sure your safety is important. Enjoy it, guys. So see you over there at the tunnel. So that's going to be a fabulous. But actually this is a light terminal, and actually the tunnel actually it has an active train goes on over here. But we just asked the person over there. He told just go, don't go deep inside. So we just came to have a look over here, and I'm going to show you the outer view. See, this is what the tunnel is. So this type of tunnel is also found in Western Ghats, which is in Chikmagaluru, near Ghati Subramania. And the same effect you can also experience in Eastern Ghats, you guys. So never miss this place. So we're gonna go down and gonna have some lunch for the day, and we're gonna leave out, and we're gonna head out to, what is the next place where we are gonna go? Araku Valley.
Araku Valley.
So we are gonna head out to Araku Valley because we don't want to get delayed because of because we are already on the altitude of 2,000 meters already. Okay, so before getting darkened, we have to be at the destination. So see you over there. Let's proceed.